Welcome to Quartzsite. Actually got some rain out here today, and more is coming. So it makes for a really pretty day in a roundabout way. Glad to see it, man. It's settled the dust and actually washed my truck off and the RV and the solar panels. It just kind of makes you feel a lot better while breathing dust all day long. So thought I'd get out here and make a little short video and let you see pretty sky. Even though it is cloudy, it's pretty. And I'll show you some water on the ground. Whoa.